Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Now today I am going to discuss differential equations. What is the definition of differential equations? An equation involving one dependent variable and its derivatives with respect to one or more independent variable is called a differential equation. An equation involving one dependent variable and its derivatives with respect to one or more independent variables is called a differential equation. See the example one. Here, dependent variable is only one, that is x. Derivative with respect to sorry, here dependent variable is y, independent variable is x. See the second example. Here a dependent variable is u, independent variable is, how many are there? X and y. So one dependent variable and its derivative with respect to one or more independent variable is called differential equation. Differential equations are two types. One is ordinary differential equation and partial differential equations. What is ordinary differential equation means? A differential equation involving derivatives with respect to single independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. See one example, dy by dx is equal to x cube plus sin x. Here differentiate with respect to x. So x is the independent variable. Single independent variable is there means that equation we will say that ordinary differential equation. Now second one, see that partial differential equation. A differential equation involving at least two independent variables. At least two independent variables and partial derivatives with respect to either of these independent variables. Either of these independent variables is called a partial differential equation. Here see that partial differentiation with respect to x and with respect to y. So two independent variable are there. So that's why these equation we will say that partial differential equation. In intermediate, we will discuss that only ordinary differential equation. So there is no partial differential equation type of problems. Okay, in higher classes we'll get. After that, how to find order, degree of a differential equation. What is order of the differential equation? The order of an ordinary differential equation is defined to be the order of the highest derivative. The order of the highest order derivative occurring in the equation. So see example, here one equation is a, how many times here done differentiation? 2 times. That means d square y by dx square, 2 times derivative done. So the order is 2. So what is the order definition? The order of an ordinary differential equation is defined to be the order of the highest order derivative. Here highest order means second order derivative done. So the order is highest order derivative occurring in the equations. So order of the differential equation is here 2. Highest derivative, exponent of highest derivative. See here, degree. The degree of an ordinary differential equation is defined to be the exponent of the highest order derivative. The exponent of highest order derivative. That means highest order derivative power is called degree of the differential equation. Okay. Now, highest order derivative occurring in the equation, provided the equation is made free from radical signs. Radical sign means square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root. These are the radical signs. And fractional powers, the power is 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, like that. As for the derivatives concerned, when the equation is expressed as a polynomial equation of the derivative, if it is a polynomial equation of the derivative, then we get order and degree. Every differential equation has certain order, but need not have a degree. Every differential equation has a certain order, but need not have a degree. Sometimes degrees exist, sometimes not possible. See the example here, d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. Highest order derivative here, d square y by dx square only. The power, what is there? 1 only. So in this case, order of the differential equation, highest order, second order only now, that is 2. Then degree, the exponent of highest order. Exponent of highest order is 1. So degree is 1. So we can identify like this. Okay. Next, solution of differential equations. Solution of the differential equation. A relation between the variables without derivatives which satisfies the given differential equation is called a solution of the differential equation. A relation between the variables without derivatives which satisfies the given differential equation is called solution of the given differential equation. Here, y is equal to a sin x, y is equal to b cos x, or solution of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. How we know that? How we know that? Do the differentiation with respect to x, substitute, it is satisfied means we will say that. And the second example also, y is equal to a into e power x and y is equal to b into e power 2x are solution of differential equations. D square y by dx square minus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. First do the differentiation. Here there are two arbitrary constants a and b. So eliminate that arbitrary constants. You will get automatically differential equations. So here one more thing. Here how many arbitrary constants are there? Two arbitrary constants. So by observing the number of arbitrary constants, then we will say easily order of the differential equation. There are two arbitrary constants. So order of the differential equation is 2, but we can't say the degree. Okay. Now types of solutions. See here. Formation of a differential equation. How to form the differential equation? Let the given equation be f of x comma y comma c1 c2 c3 and so on cn. C1 to Cn, there are n arbitrary constants are there. So we want to do that n times differentiating. Differentiating n times with respect to x, we get n more equations. By eliminating the arbitrary constant C1, C2, C3 and so on, we get the differential equation. But here there are n arbitrary constants. What is order of the differential equation? N. Okay. Now, general solution. How to form the general solution? See here. The solution which contains as many arbitrary constants as the order of the differential equation is called general solution of the differential equation. The given equations, if there are two arbitrary constants, do that 2 times derivative and eliminate arbitrary constants. You will get general solution of differential equation. Okay, so here a and b, two arbitrary constants, derivative 2 times, you will get general solution. Similarly, y is equal to a e power x plus b into e power 2x. There are a comma b are arbitrary constants. Do the 2 times derivative. What is the order of the differential equation? 2. How we know that? There are two arbitrary constants. Next, third one, particular solution. Solution obtained by giving particular values to the arbitrary constants. In place of arbitrary constants, a, b terms are there in previous equation. So there we are writing particular constant terms. See here, for example, y is equal to 5 into e power x plus 6 into x e power x is a particular solution of differential equation. Here 5 and 6, generally AB we are writing arbitrary constants. In place of AB we are writing some constants. Then we get particular solution is it. Once again see that solution obtained by giving particular values to the arbitrary constants in the general solution of the given equation. Okay, now we are going to discuss that some problems. Students, how to find order and degree of the differential equation? By observing the equations, how many arbitrary constants are there? By observing that, we will decide what order of the differential equation. The highest derivative exponent is, the exponent of highest derivative is called degree of the differential equations. Okay, students, I think all of you understood now.